may be summer, but you might have spots that didn't come up or have been eaten by animals. Right now is a good time to fill in those spots with whatever vegetables you have left over, whether plant starts or seeds. We've got an area here where our Brussels sprouts didn't come up. They didn't grow very well, so we're going to replace them with some tomatoes that we had started that we haven't used all. If you don't have tomato starts for this particular situation, I'm going to use tree diaper to help hydrate. You can use bush beans. Bush beans take 40 to 60 days to reach maturity, and as long as you continue to water and harvest, they will last all the way to frost. So whatever dead areas or empty spaces you have, now's the time to fill them to utilize every spot that you have available.